Okay, so I'm replacing an M drive here. First thing I did when taking off the old one is I tried as much as I could to clean up all the old silicone. What you see here is new silicone. Pretty much, I don't want to put too much silicone on. There was quite a bit before. I'm going to put it at the main points that it's adhering to, on the corners, kind of in the middle there. When I inserted this in here, by the way, I kind of want to go sideways and one at a time. I already inserted it, but I went 1, 2, I went sideways. So that's already been inserted. And then we kind of push this through. We already have our silicone down. There's only one point we can go to. That's where that hole is. It's got 3M adhesive on it. So that's why the silicone isn't quite as, I mean, we need it, but not quite as much. And then again, I kind of like having silicone, you know, kind of at each of the points here where it can kind of peel up, essentially. So I already kind of put it in the middle. This is kind of what I look to do. And usually, you know, again, it's going to adhere to that. So keep that on the whole time while we're doing this. Make sure that it's secure. And we'll push it into place. So it went down. I'm going to clean my hands off, make sure there's no silicone. And then I'm going to go ahead and firmly, not too hard, I won't break the screen or anything, push it into place. Okay. All right. And then we go down here, make sure this is dry. Now, in a lot of cases, we want to coil this up. We can coil it up and kind of get it out of the way, zip tied over here. But again, we're gonna, when we enter, you know, this is kind of where we're entering. So we're gonna go ahead and plug it in, top first. That's how I like to do it. Make sure it's like fully secure in there. And then the second one down right there. Again, push in, secure, push in, secure. I'm gonna go ahead and run that through. There we go. And then we'll get that out of the way in a moment. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the power on. We're gonna see the software. Okay, we're gonna see that almost right away, but that's gonna go away. And we'll give it a moment and it will read the current temperature. Usually happens in just 5 to 10 seconds on these ones. Some newer models, it might take 30 to 60 seconds. Usually on these, 5 to 10. It's taking a little longer this time, but it will not start heating until it reads the set temperature. So there we go, we're reading the temperature at 95. It's heating to 101 already. That's kind of stored in the board, but to change the temperature, we're doing it over here. So let's say I want it at 102, accept. Okay, and in a moment, up here, we should see heating to 102, right there. Let me make sure the buttons work. Pump 1, it's working. Pump 2, it's working. 3, working. Lights, I don't think their lights work, but we want to make sure that it says light high, light off, waterfall. And turned on just fine. And then this bottom button kind of scrolls through different options here. So we hit it, time, hit it again. It's kind of showing us pump 1, 2, and 3. Hit it again. It's time again, hit it one more time. We're back to the main menu here. So again, we'll set that temperature. I think I had it at 101. Bottom is accept. So in a moment, we should see heating to 101. Right there. Okay, that's good.
Turn off.
Mm-hmm.